What's up, YouTube? We are here at Floor & Decor. We are about to buy some tiles for the pond to make it look nice on the outside. So we're gonna show you guys inside on what we're getting. We just bought some tiles from a place called Floor & Decor. Giving them a shout out. That's not free what you call
advertisement.
Free advertisement for them, but we got a good deal on this, so we're gonna go ahead show you guys the layout, what we're about to do. This is just a sample what it's gonna look like on the sides, and then you're gonna see once it goes against that wall also. So we went to Floor & Decor and got a good deal on these tiles. They were on clearance. What were they, like
$1.28.
$1.28 per tile?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a good deal actually for these.
$13 a box.
It's basically feels like rocks.
Tile.
Yeah, so it looks good. It's gonna look good. All right, guys, so we're putting the tiles up in the background. We did the first layer on the bottom, as you can see. So pretty much, like I said, we're rookies at this. So to make it even underneath, we just started using pieces of paper and stuff like that, just to make sure that it's leveled all along. Put one tile up, and then now we're just gonna keep going. Wanted to show you guys the first layer. Just finished the back side. We are gonna go start on the bottom. Gonna let this dry before we put the grout in. But it's looking amazing, guys. Just letting you know, looks amazing. I just finished a couple tiles on the bottom area. It's coming along good, guys. It's coming along real good. Gotta take a quick break. Back's starting to hurt a little bit, so I'm gonna get back at it again. I know short little clips here and there of the video, but just wanted to show you guys the progress as we keep going. All right, here we go. Just gonna take a quick break and gonna get back at it again. So after finishing the easy part of the tiles, as you can see, I gotta make some cuts right here real quick just to make it flush. And you're gonna have to do it on the other side also. Then I'm gonna have to do it on the bottom side. So I'm gonna make a quick cuts right here, and then of course we got to make cuts on top. So what I had to do real quick is borrow a tile cutter. It's a Ryobi. I don't really know much about it, but if it was mine I would have did an unboxing, but I had to borrow it real quick from a co-worker. So we're gonna go ahead and start cutting the tiles. Got all the tiles laid out. As you can see, I cut on the sides, looks good, and laid it out on the side right here. All I'm waiting for now is the pond liner, so that's gonna take a little bit. Got this side also, and you can see where I cut it on that side right there. All we have to do is pond liner, filters, and a couple more of the stuff I need to get before I even start the seating area, which is gonna be right here. Anyways, this is video number 3, guys. It's gonna be a while before I get number 4. Make sure you keep your notification on, so once I get it in, you know, you guys get notified or whatever. All right, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, any comments, let me know. Thanks.